today's special is Shah Rukh Khan's special Rajasthani thali, and who are from Chennai, they would definitely have tried the recreation of Rajasthani food and lifestyle at Chaukidani. So one of my favorite places for food, and today I have tried to recreate most of the items. So this is dal bati, this is the dal for bati, and while you're eating this you have to dip it with ghee, and this is the churma, the dal bati churma, and this is panchmela dal, which have 5 types of dal in it, and this is our khadi made with besan and curd, and our famous kachori, this is peas kachori, which is also famous in Rajasthan, and this is our roti made from petroleum, or you can also make it from methi, and this thing, you cannot end a thali without this mango lassi, and the toppings is a little bit of chaat masala. Can I show my thing? So hope you enjoy the video.
If you're going to make dal today, then soak the dals the previous night.
For the dal bati churma, first you have to make dal. So for dal, I'll tell you what all we need. And the churma and the bati are really easy, and I'm going to make that out of just one same mix of dough. So first for the dal, you'll need chana dal, tur dal and moong dal. And then the masalas you'll need is turmeric, salt, chili powder, dhania powder, coriander powder or dhania powder. So garam masala, some mustard seeds, cumin seeds and ginger for splattering. And for garnishing you'll need coriander leaves, and this is homemade ghee. And these 2 cups of water and ghee are for the bati and the churma. So that's another sweet. We'll also need some of the garnishing materials like almonds and stuff. That we'll get it in the next phase. And for the dal, you'll need 2 cups of wheat. Okay, before we start making the dal, I would like to cook the dal separately with some turmeric and oil, a little bit of oil, so that it doesn't stick together, and we don't have to smash it. Just for 1 whistle, just cook it. Little bit of turmeric, water and some oil. So for the dal, first is 2 tablespoons of semolina, almost 2 cups of wheat flour. I'm using Ashirvad's wheat flour, and salt as per taste. And now we add the ghee and give it a mix. Before that, just mix it with your hands so that the dry ingredients mix well, and then add the ghee. And again, a dry mix. It is not the complete dough making with the ghee. You just have to make sure ghee is in all parts of the place. So now, like a normal dal, you can prepare. You can see the dough is now ready. It's soft, and I'm going to, close it and keep so that it retains the moisture for about 15 minutes. So for the tadka, or to make the curry, I'm using half a table when the pan is hot. Add some mustard seeds, let it splutter out. Add some cumin seeds, or 1 teaspoon, and the ginger, I've sliced it finely. First, salt, some turmeric, a bit garam masala. And main part of the Rajasthani cooking is, it never comes without garam masala. This is the coriander seeds, 2 spoons of it, and of the same spoon I'm adding chili powder. The that the dal is nicely cooked, and I'm going to add the dal to this masala. Some lime juice and some water. And leave it in low flame for a while, then you can switch it off. Add some coriander leaves and switch it off.
Perfect, dal is now ready. Let's prepare the bati.
Now coming back to our dal, you can see I have not added any soda, so you don't expect it to bulge or something. But I'm going to split it into two halves, because one is for the bati and the other one is for the churma. So this is pretty soft. So I'm making balls for the bati, and one more shape I'll make it for the churma. It can be of any shape. The target is to get it cooked. So I'm giving a gentle press on the center so it acts like the cup for the dal. Finally, the important thing is to just brush the ghee so it gets into a nice brown, golden brown color. I'm going to heat this in oven. You can also roast it in the tawa with less oil, and you can fry it and keep it, but make sure it's soft. For the churma, you just need it to be crispy and fried. So I'm just adding a random shape. You have to grind it later. So you're going to break it down and grind it into a nice mixture. So good actually. So I'm going to add some nuts. You can add all the kinds of nuts you want. I'm adding cashew nuts and also a little bit of sugar. And just for the taste of it, a little more. It's already hot, so I'm going to add mustard seeds. Yeah, probably everything is outside. Red chilies, dalchini or cinnamon, some cloves, ajwain, jeera, hing or asafoetida. I'm adding all the masalas. Initially it's a garam masala, chili, double of chili is dhania. I don't have amchur. I'm also adding a little bit of turmeric, because the speciality of Rajasthani cooking is they actually fry the masalas in the ghee or oil. I'm also adding the onions to it. Let this cook for a while. Meanwhile, we can check on the dal. I'm smashing it so the curry is a little bit thick, and Rajasthani cooking usually they add some final touch up of red chili color, which appears to be more than spicy, just the color is available, but I'm not adding that. With the final garnishing, coriander leaves, panch dal is ready. So first step is grind chilies and ginger together and keep it separately. And next is take 1 cup of sour curd and almost 1 cup of besan or 5 teaspoons of gram flour and start adding. Make sure they don't have any lumps. Now I'm going to add chili and turmeric, only these two. If there are any lumps, you can just mash it. Meanwhile, heat the pan and also add some water to it, at least 2 cups of. You can see how nicely it's ready. So curry is now ready, and we're going to put a small tadka to it. Khadi is now ready. Thanks for watching.